Assurance Wireless provides subsidized wireless services through the FCC's Lifeline program. Refilling adds funds for minutes, texts, and data beyond your monthly allotment. You can refill using physical cards purchased at stores like Walmart or CVS. Redeem them by calling 611 or via the app. Online refills are available through the Assurance Wireless website or app using debit credit cards, bank transfers, or e-wallets such as Venmo, PayPal, and Google Pay. Auto refill options allow recurring payments to avoid lapses. Some users transfer funds from family friends via the Send Minutes feature in the app. Recent partnerships with retailers provide in-store digital kiosks for instant refills using QR codes. These methods make refilling your Assurance Wireless account simple and convenient. Always check your account balance via the 611 or the app to know how much you need to add. Refills typically range from $10 to $50, and there may be a small service fee added. Unused balances generally roll over indefinitely for voice and data plans, so you won't lose them. For digital refills, funds are added instantly. Physical cards may take 24 to 48 hours to process. Be cautious of third-party sellers when buying refill cards to avoid scams and ensure valid purchases. Assurance Wireless is shifting to digital refills, aiming for fully digital methods soon, with possible integration of AI chatbots for support. Use two-factor authentication for online payments to prevent fraud and protect your account. The program has expanded eligibility verification via the National Lifeline Eligibility Verifier for faster approvals. Following these tips will help ensure successful refills and avoid common issues.